Hi everyone, welcome back to Pacific Front channel. The wait is over. The moment that will fundamentally change the power dynamics of the Australian Army has finally landed. This week, Australia officially welcomed the first batch of its Apache Guardian. So here are 5 key things to know about the Australian Army Apache delivery. The Australian Army received the first 2 Apache Guardian from a total fleet of 29 Apaches ordered through foreign military sales. Boeing press release said the next 2 Apaches are also on track for delivery before the end of the year. All aircraft orders are expected to be completed by 2029. Australia has now become the 18th nation to operate the Apache, and there are nearly 1,300 Apaches in operation worldwide. The Apache fleet is acquired under the Land 4503 project to replace the Army's fleet of Tiger Arm reconnaissance helicopters, which has been plagued by issues. The Apache was chosen specifically as a proven, mature, and low risk of the self-replacement, a stark contrast and a guaranteed leap in reliability and capability. The Guardian variant features superior technology compared to the previous model, including advanced digital connectivity, enhanced sensors, an upgraded transmission, and the capability to control unmanned aerial systems, allowing for crew-on-crew teaming. This will extend the Apache's eyes, sensors, and reach far beyond the cockpit. The entire fleet will be permanently based at RAF Base Townsville in North Queensland and will be operated by the 1st Aviation Regiment. This positions Australia's main attack aviation capability perfectly to operate across the northern approaches and support the Army's key doctrine of littoral maneuver and long-range strike, a strategic move to secure Australia's most vital region. The acquisition is more than just military hardware. Under the 7-year Apache initial support contract, the Apache acquisition is creating 230 high-skilled jobs in Queensland, with the first 36 aircraft maintenance engineer trainees and apprentices starting training in January 2026. The Australian Apache fleet is constructed with several parts manufactured by Australian companies, from wire harness, electrical panels, and avionics-based shelving to vertical spar boxes, composites, and fairings. And as the program progresses, Boeing will continue to integrate locally made components into the Australian and global Apache fleets. What do you think this acquisition means for Australia's role in the region? Let us know in the comment section below and subscribe to Pacific Front channel for more.